Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Frosty Friends minigame on Bloxburg. So if you go in here, and you go like a little bit closer to the people, you'll be able to find like what they want. So these three people want scarves. They want the red scarf. So you're just going to grab it and you're going to give it to them. I think this is the most tedious one. The snowball one I think is the best one for me, because it's just easy and you don't have to like go back and forth to go to these people, and it takes like some time too. It's like a little bit time consuming in my opinion, but you can still earn like money, like tickets, from doing this. Now I don't know where this scarf is, so I'm just going to go over here. See, yellow jacket. Sorry, yeah, it's a yellow jacket, not a beanie. Grab it and go there. As you can see, like the gifts are quite far from these people for some reasons today. Let's see what these people want. Okay, we got a red scarf here. And then a blue beanie. Oh, that's good. But that's pretty much it really. You're just going to go back and forth to people to see what they want. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!